现在在我们的社区画画，然后今天的挑战是阳光一下子来一下子走的，所以让我的写生变得有一点困难，所以好像写生也没有别的什么每次的困难都是跟速度有关，就是如果你也是写生的爱好者，就是大概要注意，要练好速度，总是跟速度在赛跑。
Another guy looking for the perfect lover, the kind of love you only see in a novel. I wasn't waiting for some shiny unicorn out of thin air, around and then you don't. But all of a sudden you're the hero of my story. I celebrate the love and only to me glory. I still remember the way this whole thing started. I was walking down the city, feeling down and broken hearted. But then I guess all roads lead to Rome. A full-front collision on my way home. I cut a corner, down we hit and crash. The crash has been the first and hasn't been the last, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is the boat. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love. And everyone is looking like we're crazy people just escaping from alone. Sometimes I feel that you are from another planet. The way you attract these small disasters like a magnet. And I don't know if you are from outer space, but I can tell you, girl, I'm enjoying the race. Because I knew when we hit and crashed, My crazy love circus was here at last. This is romantic in a very funny way. I know our kind of love is the one made to stay, 'cause it's a different kind of love from any other old school dating is a bore. We are explorers, it's a different kind of love, and everyone is looking like we're crazy people just escaping from the lonely. The way that you talk, the way that you move, you make fun of me while I make fun of you, but we always fit, precise as a glove. I really enjoy a different kind of love. Oh, oh, a different kind of love. A different kind of love. A different kind of love.
OK， 这幅画接近尾声，然后今天的这个写生也有很多的事情，一下子没电，一下子太阳有，一下子太阳没有，然后一下子发现这个有录到，那个没录到，因为电源的关系。然后但是就是要在写生的时候，还有风也有一点大，所以写生要突破的东西比较多。但是我觉得这张我觉得自己还蛮满意的，因为我有表达到远处那些小盆栽的景色，它是很吸引我的一个地方。然后还有那些栏杆，我把它用写意的方式表达出来，我自己也蛮喜欢的，还不错。所以我给自己的评价，我觉得还可以。好，希望大家喜欢，拜拜。